We are the largest standalone career center in Indiana. Very proud of that. Our students have opportunity to earn many different certifications. Each year they'll earn well over 700 or 800 different certifications. We've ranked for the past 2 years in a row #1 in Indiana for the number of college credits earned. Over 6,000 college credits were earned last year. It's amazing the opportunities we provide. We just think not only are we the largest, but we're the best.
What drew me into Prosser was the dual college credits mainly. I really like the fact that it's a trade school as well. Very excellent teachers. Prosser being the #1 vo-tech school in the state of Indiana really helps out, especially whenever you're trying to get a future started. Every program here and every classroom will have a teacher that actually has been on the trade, and so you're going to be getting that hands-on experience no matter what.
Prosser has helped me advance because it helps me adapt to a lot more than what I'm used to. This place is more community-based than anything, so if you don't know about Prosser, you will eventually. And it's very, very hands-on. This is a way to get away and just not only focus on school and other things that they provide, but also focus on solely the career path that you're thinking about.
We have an outstanding open house each year. We'll have business employers here that families can meet with students again and parents and talk with them about careers, career opportunities, visit our school, meet with our instructors. We have post-secondary reps here that, again, there's just a tremendous amount of information, career information that we share, not only about Prosser, but just about careers in general, from students that might be 6th grade, 7th grade exploring, all the way to students that are in high school really ready to enroll in some of our programming. Just come out and visit us, because people think they know who we are, and unless they've been here in the very recent past, they really don't know what we're doing and what we're offering to our students in our community. It's amazing. We've elevated our game every single year, bringing in new programs every single year, and then elevating the current programs that we've had for many, many years.